Very good afternoon to all of you. Today I want to discuss about chapter 5 sense organ. Student, yesterday I have discussed about this chapter introduction of the sense organ. So today I want to discuss next topics like as eyes, ear, nose, tongue and skin. So students, given here, tick the senses that you use when you do the following. First, watch cartoon on television. 4 options are given here: sight, hurting, touch, taste or smell. So correct option is sight. A option is correct. Eat a cake. Second question is eat a cake. The option is given here: sight, hearing, tough, taste, smell. So answer is here taste. Okay student, this type you can complete tick the senses that you use when you do the following. After this, eyes. We see with our eyes. Karan is reading a story from the story book. Look here students, one picture has given here. In the picture, one boy sit on the table and read a book. That boy name is Karan. Karan is reading a story from the story book. Next, another picture has given here. One is boy or girl sit on the bed and look at some pictures. That boy name is or girl name is Pratham is watching. Pratham is watching cartoons on television. After this students, our eyes also tell us about the dangerous around. Our eyes also tell us about the dangerous around. Students, look here. One picture has given here. One girl walking on the road, but in front of that girl, one big hole is present. Sarah could avoid falling in the pits. That girl name is Sarah. Sarah could avoid falling in the pits as she was able to see it from a distance. Students, when Sarah look or watch that this pit, after this understand to Sarah pit is present in front of her, so it is could avoid falling in the pit. Okay students, after this students, here are a few tips to take good care of your eyes. Students, here given 4 points. These are related to how we can care our eyes. First one, do not watch TV for long. Student, do not watch television for long time. Second topic, eat lots of carrots and green leafy vegetables. Students, take in your diet, eat lots of carrots and green leafy vegetables. Third point is never look at the sun directly. Never look at the sun directly by our naked eye. never read in the dim light. Never read in the dim light. So student, must we follow these instructions for good care of your eyes. First one, do not watch TV for long. Second, eat lots of carrots and green leafy vegetables. And third one, never look at the sun directly. And fourth one, never read in the dim light. So after this students, my next topic is ear. Picture is also drawn here. Two pictures present in front of us. In one picture, mother and son present sit on the bed, and another also one bus is present there, and one girl also walk on the road. Abhi loves to hear stories from his grandmother. Students, in this figure, this boy name is Abhi. Abhi loves to hear stories from his grandmother. And another picture, Palak stepped aside on hearing the bus horn. Palak stepped aside on hearing the bus horn. So students, Palak walking on the road. Behind the Palak, bus came and gave horn to the Palak. When Palak listened the horn, go aside of the road. After this, one picture is also you can see. Vishal. This is a Vishal. Vishal likes to hear music. Vishal using headphone to hear music. One fact is also given here. How long do they work? Our ear work all the time, even while we are sleeping. Students, our ears can work all the time, even while we are sleeping also. After this student, some instructions are given here to how to good care of your ears. Here are a few tips to take good care of your eyes. Always keep your ears clean. Students, always keep your ears clean. Avoid listening to music at high volume. Always keep your ears clean. Avoid listening to music at high volume. Never put any sharp object inside your ear.